Hey guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com. It's a dreary day on Vancouver Island right now. Kind of cool and rainy. Kind of matches the sad news I have. Well, our big blue truck is meeting the end of its life. It looks like it's that's it for Big Blue. It's developed some major engine problems. And just had it into a local diesel shop, and they've diagnosed that something's wrong with one of the cylinders, at least one of the cylinders, probably a cracked piston or bad rings. I'm getting quite a bad knocking out of the engine, I noticed lately, and it was starting to leak a bit of oil. So they say what's happening is because of that it's getting quite a bit of what they call blowby. So compression gases are getting blasted into the crankcase, and that's putting a lot of pressure out. Let me show you. I'll crank it up and I'll show you the blow-by on it. So this is a 1994, so we're almost 25 years old. Old 7.3 diesel in it. It's a pity because I just had the glow plugs done. It was actually starting really good. I don't know if you can pick up that kind of bang, 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 bang. Quite a loud knocking, banging noise. Especially hear it coming up from the bottom end. Here's a look at the blow-by. So yeah, you can see what the guy was pointing out to me with the oil cap off. There was quite a bit of a blow-by happening, just like a choo-choo train there. And you could hear kind of a metal on metal sound going on in there, maybe rings slapping around or something. I'm not a mechanic, so I'm just guessing here. But anyway, the mechanic said this engine is toast. You start getting into options. We could yank it out and do a rebuild on it. It all depends on what the problems is. They don't know until they get in there all the problems that would be in there, so it might not even be a candidate for rebuilding. They could order a new motor block, but they just get sort of a bare block, so all this old stuff would have to get put back on it, taken off and put back on, so you don't know what's going to happen there when they start taking things apart. One of my big worries was if I went that route, this old turbo system that's on this, I think it's a Garrett or Garrett turbo. Anyway, it's basically obsolete. The exhaust intake and output pipes are totally obsolete. You can't even order them anymore. And a lot of it is cast parts, so if they take it apart and break a cast part, then it's kind of like no dice there. So then you'd be on the hook for a new turbo system. There's a bank system you can get for it aftermarket, but you just start piling on the price. The guy was saying, you get a block and rebuild it with the amount of hours. You start talking $8 grand in Canadian bucks, and you add a turbo system on it, and you get an aftermarket turbo and install that. Soon you're over $10,000 to get this truck working again properly. You could probably go to a junkyard and maybe do better, but this thing tows our house around, so we really want something reliable. Don't want to piece together something. The other option I was looking at was possibly there's a kit available where they take out this old Ford 350 and they put in a Cummins motor, kind of put in a Dodge Cummins into a Ford, kind of a weird thing, but even that was around 15,000 or more Canadian. So I think what we're going to do is retire old Blue here, maybe find some guy who wants a work truck or a farm truck. Like, it still runs. I don't know for how long it'll run like that, but maybe they could even, you know, put in a junker motor and get it, because the body's in really nice shape. But I think it's done for us, unfortunately. It's a sad day. The old guy has towed us around this country for 7 years now. Good old Blue. But I think we're looking for a new truck. So stay tuned, see what we get. Got a few feelers out. I think we're probably going to get a brand new 1-ton truck. So that'll be nice. Quite an upgrade from this old thing. Till next time, Ray from LoveYourRV.com. Cheers, everyone. No, keep old Blue.